Example number 4. Two dice are rolled. Write the sample space S and number of sample points number of S. Also write events and number of sample points in the events according to the given condition. For the events, the conditions are given below. Number 1, sum of the digits on the upper face is a prime number. Second, sum of the digits on the upper face is a multiple of 5. Third, sum of the digits on the upper face is 25. And the fourth condition for the event, digit on the upper face of the first die is less than the digit on the second die. The name of the random experiment is two dice are rolled. If two dice are rolled, then how many possible outcomes of that? 36 possible outcomes are there. That's why 36 sample points we have to write down in the sample space. S is equal to, it is convenient for you to write down the 6 results in a line. In this way, it takes 6 lines for writing the complete sample points. S is equal to, in curly bracket, and then in the round bracket, 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma 4 comma 1 comma 5 comma 1 comma 6. Then to the next line, 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4 comma 2 comma 5 comma 2 comma 6. In this way, complete up to the 6 comma 6 and close the curly bracket. The number of sample points, number of S is equal to 36. Now, for writing the event, give any letter to the event. Number 1, event E. What is the condition for that? The sum of the digits on the upper face is a prime number. Out of 36 sample points, we have to choose the results in which the sum of the digits on the upper face is a prime number. And you know very well what is the meaning of the prime number and which are the prime numbers. Now I am writing the elements of this set E, event E. The sample points comes in this event are E is equal to, in curly bracket, 1 comma 1, and the sum is 2 and 2 is a prime number, comma 1 comma 2. 1 plus 2 means 3 and 3 is a prime number, comma 1 comma 4 comma 1 comma 6 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 5 comma 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 1 comma 4 comma 3 comma 5 comma 2 comma 5 comma 6 comma 6 comma 1 comma 6 comma 5. The sum of all these results is a prime number. That means sum of the digits on the upper face is a prime number. Therefore, number of E is equal to 15. Second, event F. The name given to the second event is F here. The sum of the digits on the upper face is a multiple of 5. That means we have to select the sample points in which the sum of the digits on the upper face is multiple of 5. F is equal to, comma 1 in curly bracket, 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 2 comma 4 comma 1 comma 4 comma 6 comma 5 comma 5 comma 6 comma 4. Close the curly bracket. In all these results, the sum of the digits on the upper face is multiple of 5. Now check the results. 1 plus 4 means 5, 2 plus 3 means 5, 3 plus 2 means 5, 4 plus 1 means 5, 4 comma 6 means 10, 10 is multiple of 5, 5 comma 5 means 10, 5 plus 5 means 10, and it is multiple of 5. 6 comma 4, 6 plus 4 means 10, and it is multiple of 5. That means all the results in this are multiples of 5, and there are 7 results. Number of f is equal to 7. Third, the name given to the third event, that is G. Event G, the condition for that, the sum of the digits on the upper face is 25, and it is impossible to get the sum on the upper face is 25. The maximum sum of the digits on the upper face is 12. 6 comma 6 is the last result. If we do the sum of these two, that means 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Then it is impossible to get the sum 25. That's why G is equal to, in curly bracket, there is no sample point comes in this set. That's why G is equal to an empty set. It is shown by an empty set, or we can write by phi, that denoting by phi. That's why equal to phi. There is no single sample point in the set. That's why number of Z is equal to 0. Now the fourth event, the name given to the event is H, and the condition for that, the number on the upper face of the first die is less than the digit on the second die. Now we have to collect the results from the sample space in which the result on the first die is less than the second. H is equal to, in curly bracket, all the results are written in which the first result of the first die is less than the result of the second die. 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, and last 5 comma 6. In all these results, the result of the first die is less than the result of the second die. Close the curly bracket. Number of H is equal to 15.